Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back into the OS module. And what we're going to look at is the Rmdir, and you might be able to decipher it. It's remove directory. So let's just look at it. So if you're new here, thanks for being here, thanks for joining us. And what we do is we do micro videos. So they're always searchable. And if there's ever anything that we're not specifically talking about, we've done videos before. So alright, so the OS module and Rmdir. So let's look at it. os.rmdir, and here we go. Remove directory. So alright, and if it's not found, none, and it will raise. So alright, last couple videos ago we looked at, it was actually episode 264, where we used a method of creating a new directory, and it was sitting right in our folder and it was new. Well, so guess what? Now we're going to delete it. So it is the path, and all that is a way to say if it's a different path, you put in the entire directory, the subdirectory, and then the file name. So if you're in the directory and subdirectory that you want, we just go and rmdir and new and close it out, run it. Then we come back over here, and lo and behold, new has been deleted. And that is that. It is that simple. So if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we have tons of videos coming out. And I don't want you missing anything, getting behind, or getting overwhelmed. And that's what we do here. We do little pieces, and we bite at this because I want this to be the one place you come to learn Python. So thanks for joining us. And my absolute favorite is if you leave a comment or a video request. That helps me go in the direction that you need, and it will be attacked, because there are probably other people that have the same questions. So please don't hesitate. I've gotten some really good videos and some very popular videos from video requests. So please don't hesitate. Thank you very much. Hang in there, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.